We have here 2 cups of Japanese short grain rice. We're going to rinse it until the water becomes clear, so for at least 10 times. We do this to remove the surface starch on the rice and to prevent it from overly sticky. Drain all the water for about 10 minutes. Transfer it back to the pot. Then add 2 cups of filtered water in the pot. Here I also have a little piece of kombu. We're going to gently wrap it with a damp towel. Put this in the pot and cook it in a rice cooker. While waiting for the rice to cook, let's do some preparation work. So first we're going to peel this cucumber. Then measure its length with a nori sheet. Then slice out the ends, quarter it lengthwise. Now we're going to slice out the seeds. And then slice each piece into about 1/3 inch pieces. Now we're going to slice an avocado in half, take out the pit, slice each piece in half again, peel off the skin, and cut each piece into about 1/3 inch pieces. Squeeze some lemon juice over avocado to prevent browning. And then we're going to shred 6 imitated crab sticks in halves. Cut 3 nori sheets in halves as well. To make the vinegar mixture, in a small pan we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, ½ teaspoon of salt. Cook until dissolved. Turn off the heat before it is boiled. You can also heat this up in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Now our rice is ready, so we're going to take out the kombu sheet. Now we're going to pour it in a large mixing bowl. Traditionally, Japanese use a wooden mixing tub, and since I don't have one, this one will do just fine. Now we're going to sprinkle the vinegar mixtures over the rice paddle and then onto the rice. We're going to use cut and fold motion to gently mix the rice without smashing the grains. We're going to fan it occasionally and mix until the rice is slightly above room temperature. Cover with a clean kitchen towel. Okay, so before making the sushi rolls, we're going to prepare a bowl of water on the side. Now we're going to cover a bamboo rolling mat with a large Ziploc bag. Lay 1 nori sheet on top. Put the shiny side down on the covered mat. Wet your fingers with water and spread about 1 cup of rice evenly on the nori. Sprinkle the rice with about a teaspoon of sesame seeds all over. Turn nori sheet over so the rice side is down. Place 3 pieces of avocado on top, 2 slices of imitated crab sticks, and 1 slice of cucumber in the center of the sheet. Grab the edge of the mat closest to you and roll it into a tight cylinder like this. Cut each roll into 8 pieces. Now you can serve it with pickled ginger, wasabi, and soy sauce.